Hello everybody and welcome to your Monday maths lesson. This week we are going to be looking at time, and today we are going to be looking at events that happened before and events that happen after. Okay, so first of all I'd like you to look at this picture. So thinking to yourself, or if you've got someone to talk to your partner, what could have happened before this picture and what could have happened after the picture? Just going to give you a moment to have a think. You can pause the video if you need a bit longer. What could have happened before and what could have happened after? Okay, so there are lots of different possibilities that could have happened before. It depends what you've imagined, and the same for what could have happened after. So it'd be interesting to know what your suggestions were. But one example could be that the man in the background threw his banana peel on the floor, which is very cheeky. We know that we should put our rubbish in the bin, don't we? And that that the man who threw his peel apologises and helps to pick up the other man's papers, which would definitely be the kind thing to do. So thinking about things that happen in your life, in your daily life, which of these things usually happens before school? Bath time, brush your teeth, or have your breakfast? Have a little think. Which of these usually happens before school? Now, I would say brushing our teeth and having our breakfast. Okay, those are things that we tend to do before school, whereas bath time takes a little bit longer. So that's probably something we would usually do after school. Okay, for the next question, use the words before and after to describe the pictures below. So I can see that we have a mouse hiding behind some cheese, and then there's an arrow pointing to show us the mouse has eaten a big hole through the cheese. So we could say that before the mouse ate it, there was a full block of cheese, but after the mouse ate it, there was a hole in the cheese. I wonder if that mouse has got a bellyache now. Okay, for this activity, we need to draw something that we do at each time of the day. Now, your activity that you're going to do in your sheet has slightly different headings, but this one has before break, at break, and after break. So if I look at the left-hand column, which is before break, if I was to draw a picture in there, I could draw a picture of us all sitting in collective worship, listening to a story, or maybe singing if it's on a Wednesday. Then at break, that's when we're all playing outside, maybe you're on the trim trail or the climbing frame. And after break, we come inside and wash our hands, so we could say that, couldn't we? Or we could say that, or we could draw us doing a little bit more maths work. They're different things that we do after break. And for this question, we need to draw a line from each label to the correct picture and use the label to describe the pictures. So first, we would turn the tap on, then take some soap, and finally, dry your hands. Okay, so we're drawing a line from the label to the correct picture and then using those labels to help us describe the pictures. So you may need help from an adult perhaps to help you with that writing, or maybe you could verbally tell them. That is also fine. And once you've finished that sheet, you can have a go at some problem solving. So we won't try that together now, but I'm sure you'll be able to do a super job of it. So when you go on to Purple Mash in your to-dos, you will find these worksheets here that you will complete. Now, if you're feeling super confident with before and after, I'd like you to go to the second sheet and start here. Okay, if you're not quite certain about those words and you found what we've just looked at a little bit tricky, I would like you to start on this sheet here. And if you complete both of those, there's an extra challenge, your problem solving. Maybe you've got a purple pen at home that you can use. I can't wait to see your work. Good luck, everybody, and I'll hopefully see you soon. Bye.